Welcome to Guide to Right channel. In this video, we'll show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. There are times when some people choose to take a break from social media, including Instagram, to focus on their personal life, reduce distraction, or for some other reason. Instagram itself offers the option to temporarily deactivate an account, allowing users to look back in at any time without losing data. So here's in the video, I will show you how to do it. It's very simple. First, you have, of course, we have to open our Instagram account. You can log into your account on Instagram that you want to deactivate. After that, you can go to your profile by tap on the button right here. From here, you can go to the settings by clicking on the three lines over here. You can choose on your account center. You can just scroll down and you can go to this one, your information. I'm sorry, personal details in here. And from here, you can go to account owner and control, account ownership and control, and you'll find there is an option deactivate or deletion. Because we want to deactivate this account, we want to inactivate, temporarily disable our account. You can just choose on deactivate or deletion. You can choose on the account, Instagram account that you want to deactivate. I will deactivate this account. Now you can choose if you want to deactivate your account or delete account, because we only want to deactivate your account temporarily. We can just choose on deactivate account. Now you can tap on continue. And from here you can tap on continue. You can enter your password. Enter your password. Tap on continue. You can wait. You can choose the reason why you want to deactivate your Instagram account. Maybe you just need a break, for example. Now I tap on continue. You can read this. You can choose if you want to automatically reactivate your Instagram account. And here you can reactivate your Instagram account through Account Center. Instagram can also automatically reactivate your account for you. This will make your Instagram account active and enable again. You can choose if you want to reactivate your Instagram account manually. You can just choose on this and choose on don't reactivate automatically. But if you want to reactivate your Instagram account automatically, you can just choose after 1 day, after 3 days, 6 days, or 7 days. But I will just choose don't reactivate my account. After that, you can just choose on continue. From here, you can choose deactivate account. You can re-enter your password for your security. Now tap on continue. So now you have deactivate your account, Instagram account temporarily. It's very simple, right? So that is how to deactivate Instagram account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about Guide You Right channel. Thank you and see you.